How to see hidden characters in Character AI. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see hidden characters in Character AI. In order to see the hidden characters in Character AI, you simply need to search for the exact name of that character, as there isn't any specific feature in order to access hidden characters. To get started, open your Character AI application on your mobile device or go to character.ai in your web browser. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. If not, enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, now you will need to tap on the search icon or the explore tab from the bottom. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to this page. Here in the top, you'll be able to see the search bar. Tap on the search bar and there type in the exact name of the character you want to find. Once you have entered the name of the character, remember to include any specific details about the character, such as the creator's name if possible. Once you have entered the name, now you will get the search results below. Here you will need to locate the exact character. Once you get the character, tap on it to open their profile and chat interface. And after selecting this character, you can send a message to them. Tap on the text box and type in your message. Now tap on the airplane-like icon at the right side to send it. Now this action will make character reappear in your chat list. You may also refresh or come back to the home page, and then there you will be able to locate your hidden chat. So by following these steps, you can successfully see the hidden characters in Character AI. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.